Cannot remember anything, how I got here. I didn't have anything on me. I had no jewellery, no purse, nothing.
Found dishevelled and disoriented on a street in Southern California, the woman, who goes by the name of Sam, for now at least, has been diagnosed as having a form of amnesia.
I just feel like there's this thick fog over my memory, over my brain, that I can't see through.
She's been having vivid dreams about Australia, Bondi Beach and Byron Bay, and living in a contemporary home in Hawaii.
I have this dream of this bloke in my dreams all the time. I don't know if I was married to him. I just know that, I think so.
She's also been diagnosed with stage 3 ovarian cancer, making her even more desperate to find her family. International crime agencies are also trying to help.
I'm hoping that someone sees me or this or something on the internet and my family immediately says, there she is, there she is.